Welcome back to another vlog. Come spend another day with us. It is day 4. We are on the Norwegian Prima and we're gonna go see what else Norwegian Prima has to offer and all its fun activities.
It's a sea day, so we have plenty of time to explore the ship. So come along, explore the ship, and maybe you'll learn something about the Norwegian Prima. Alright guys, so on 6th floor, there's duty free kind of spread out everywhere, but the duty free for perfumes and alcohol is down here on 6th. And this one is on deck 8, where you see the Pandora stuff. The gift shop with the clothing items is in the back of it. It's kind of hidden.
Yeah.
And I don't know why they're hiding it, because this is a place people really shop.
Right.
People
you can come and get, if you leave any like toiletries or anything like that, you can come and pick that up.
Yeah, you even got some good snacks and stuff here. And of course your Prima merchandise.
And of course your Prima merchandise. Now guys, you already know, if you're watching this cruise series, every Friday night at the end of the cruise series, we will be doing a giveaway. So something here we'll be purchasing to give away 2 prizes. You have to be watching this series. You have to know, you know, what happened in the vlogs. You gotta watch the vlogs because we're gonna ask you questions about the vlogs. And we give away something from the Prima, that we will mail to you.
Right.
Something from the Prima. So I'm about to pick out the gift now. So turn the camera on.
Oh, sorry. Now, one thing I could give a major credit for is, I don't know of many gift shops on cruise lines that have that kind of view.
No.
They're always tucked in the middle.
Yeah.
So now I'm seeing the gift shop tucked behind. It's got a nice view. It's rare that they have a view like that. All right, guys, so also on 8 is the photo gallery.
Now, if you are anything like me, you know I love a picture, and I am always getting photos taken whenever we're on cruises. And you guys can do the picture package. You can get 5 images, which includes the digital and the prints. I like that. Digital and prints. It's $149 for 5.
Alright guys, so we are going to the buffet. We're going to start off by getting a little bit of lunch. We had some meetings earlier for the travel agent side, so we knocked those out. We did not get breakfast before we went because we were in the casino late last night, so we woke up last minute. So first thing first, get some food. And the Queen of Pizza is about to see what Norwegian is talking about. It's not New York pizza. You're gonna get 2 slices, so you give them a fair chance, or the people are ready.
Y'all already know what I'm gonna say, so I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, the eyes say it all.
Some things are better left unsaid.
Got it.
All right, guys, so time for a little bit of adventure. I'm about to get on the drop, which is a dry slide. The minimum height is 55 inches and maximum is 79 inches to ride this. The maximum weight is 330 pounds. You must be 8 years and up to ride the drop.
Back of the ship, guys, you got the Speedway bar. Speedway bar has amazing views. It's actually right above the Vibe to the back of the ship.
Alrighty, guys, now I'm about to do the Rush. The Rush is 2 dry slides. The maximum weight is 330 pounds. You have to be 8 years old and up to enjoy this ride. And the minimum height on this is 48 inches. One rider at a time. Richard's not going to be racing me. But whatever, I'll let you guys know. Oh, by the way, the other slide, that was fun. It slows down when you get, I thought I was stuck at one point. But it's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, it was cool. The largest dry slide at sea, so I can't wait to enjoy this. The Rush. Are you ready to feel a rush? Or you at home probably don't feel a rush?
But you will.
But I will. So here at the Mandarin Salon, well, the spa, they have everything is in behind the doors. So they have a beauty salon where you get your hair washed, pressed, blown out, whatever you want inside the spa. They have a menu of services. You can also get your nails done as well. Over here is the med spa treatment rooms where you can get your Botox, your fillers, all of those things to get those fine lines on your face gone. So when you walk into the spa, you come down this lovely round cascading staircase, and then there's the thermal suite, which has 2 different pools. They have loungers. I'm not sure if the loungers are heated. I would actually have to go down there and see, but right now I'm just doing a tour. It looks very nice. It looks very relaxing. So for $99, you get access to the thermal suite, the saunas, the steam rooms, the different pools down here. All of that jazz comes included, and obviously a time to relax and unwind on your cruise aboard the Norwegian Prima. And for all my people who'd like to come and work out, you can come to the Pulse and feel your pulse beat. Open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Well, this is an interesting tour.
Lots of equipment here. Treadmills, bicycles, all that jazz. Come on in and work it on out. So, we're getting ready to step into another galaxy aboard the Galaxy Pavilion. Come on, guys.
Wow. So guys, in here what you have is a lot of virtual reality type of games. It's not really for little kids, to be honest.
To be honest with y'all, there isn't much for, if your child is like 12 and under, 11 under,
it'll be hard to entertain them on this ship, I do believe. But if your kids are getting older than that, like 10 plus, there's some cool stuff. Like this area is very, very cool.
Yeah, I changed the age. 10 plus. 10 plus.
So guys, these rides or games are gonna be $8 per play. Or if you want to get a day pass, it should be, I believe, about 48 bucks for the day, which is a pretty good value, especially if you got kids, because they'll run that bill up. But if it's unlimited, that's the way to go. All right, our turn.
Suited and booted. All right, Rich, you ready? He's ready. Suited and booted. Well, how was it?
That thing will make you dizzy.
I see.
Yeah.
I mean,
You really get tossed.
he was getting tossed all around.
Even if you know how to drive.
Driving skills.
It's not like driving a race car. It just keeps tossing you around no matter how good you think you can drive.
Okay. Was it worth? So if someone had to pay $8, would you think it's worth $8?
Yeah, it's good to try.
Okay.
I would just do the day pass and do all of them.
So also up here at the Galaxy Pavilion, they do have an escape room, which is $15 per person. You could do like a team of 6 people. If you want to do it by yourself, you can do it by yourself. You do have to register to make a time appointment. So make sure you do that as soon as you get on your ship. All right, let's go see what the observation lounge looks like.
Looks like the door was a bit difficult for you.
I'm glad you observed that.
Yes. Well, it is the observation lounge after all.
Okay, obviously besides relaxing, and you can get board games and playing cards and puzzles. Everything is available inside these cabinets to keep you entertained.
All right, so at this time it is 5 o'clock, and this is that period where they're switching over from lunch to dinner. So there's not really a lot of restaurants open. So we are gonna have a quick bite at the local, which is the 24-hour spot. So you can also come here at 5 a.m. if you choose.
The menu at this time is a more extended menu, whereas if you were to come at 1 o'clock in the morning, it is a late night menu.
This is a sausage slider. What do we got here?
Roast pork, plantanos, rice and beans.
That actually looks really good.
It does.
Nachos?
Loaded nachos, and then I also got buffalo wings. So I'm hungry.
I see. I thought you told me you came here for a snack.
This is a snack.
Okay. All snacks are not created equal. Alright guys, so it may seem like you're jumping from one restaurant to another, and you are, but we're not. We actually been in the room
for 2 hours.
Yeah, longer than that.
2.5 hours.
Yeah, we've been in a room for a minute. Actually, we watched a whole movie. We took a little. Did you sleep?
15 minutes.
A little snooze, you know. So we're gonna try to squeeze in a little bite to eat before we go to the show. So we're back at Indulge, and it is definitely a different vibe than lunch. Like you can get a seat. The service we know here is very fast. Even when it was crowded, it was fast. So not being like this should be super fast. So we mainly ordered Indian food. All the restaurants not open. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the restaurants are open right now for dinner, and the menu is very different from lunch in a good way. It looks like so. We're gonna try that out, then we'll let you know if.
Oh no, they're open.
Oh, they're all open. Okay, so if you scroll all the way, make sure the menu with the restaurants, you scroll it up and down on the iPad because
they are.
it is available.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Wow. There's some good stuff on his menu.
There is
some
good stuff.
So we have a very Indian spread. We ordered almost everything off the Indian spot.
Yes.
So pretty much everything they offer, we have it here.
Yes.
So
only we didn't get, which I wanted to get, was the cheddar naan,
Oh, the fish.
the fish. Yeah. If I have space, maybe I'll go back for more. But we're gonna get started with the garlic naan, the basmati rice. We have paneer. We have vindaloo. We have it all. All right.
That drink is real strong.
My goodness.
Like,
Or did I just not like stir it up?
no, this drink is like a 1-2 punch of tequila. There's like a quadruple shot of tequila in there, which is pretty good.
If you were paying for that, like
So
a la
worth
carte,
it. Yeah.
so worth it.
Now, as for the Indian food guys, they hit the spot. They did their thing. If you do come here, we highly recommend like every Indian dish.
Everything.
The worst one here is the pork, which is still good. So,
Like they top tier best Indian food at sea for me. I don't know about you, but for me,
Disney had some amazing tasting
yeah,
Indian
nah.
food.
But this
But this variety we were not offered there. So for us to order this, and we can order like 4 times this if we want to. We could just keep ordering this and eating it. As much as you want, you could just keep ordering. So
it's a lot.
that's,
It's just a lot of food.
yeah.
I mean, like the portions they give. This is a lot for one. Like I'm thinking, like, what if one person said, "Hey, I want to," they would be like, "Oh my god, this is a lot." I thought it was gonna be small plate.
Right.
I didn't think it was gonna be like nice big
A bowl.
family size bowls that you can share with a family of 4.
But if you order it the way we did, it's family style dining.
This is definitely put on your boots and run.
It's a run no walk.
It's a run on walk for me.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Oh, we're gonna wrap this up. And by that I mean put the rest of it in our belly.
It's not ready yet.
Oh, okay.
Until the next vlog, guys. Continue to live
Rich
and Jazzy
Live.
live.
Bye, guys.